8.5 million Microsoft devices were affected by a global outage due to a software update by CrowdStrike. It affected everything from Microsoft 365 and Azure cloud services to internal tools. Imagine trying to access your email, collaborate on a project, or manage critical systems only to hit a wall. That's exactly what happened to users around the world. People around the world encountered the blue screen of death, BSOD, as their computers repeatedly attempted to reboot. The root of the issue was a faulty software update delivered to Microsoft devices and servers by CrowdStrike. How can we prevent such events in the future? Adopt agentless solutions like MFA 2.0 to enhance resilience and reduce failures. Companies should also utilize patch management tools to automate the deployment of updates. We've got tons of info on how Kratikal can help you protect your digital assets in our recent blog. Read now. Let's be secure for sure.